Good afternoon and welcome to the Tips News. I am Bhumi Sharma and today's segment is a special one as we have one of the proud alumni of Trinity Institute of Professional Studies. Her journey has been both inspiring and impressive. From securing top newsroom roles during her undergraduate studies to becoming the youngest recipient of the Ramnath Goenka Award for Investigative Journalism. Ms. Zoya Hussain has consistently demonstrated a deep commitment to impactful storytelling. We are thrilled to have you here with us, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
First of all, how does it feel to step back into your college?
Okay, so nostalgia actually hits me hard. So yeah, it hit me harder because I think I've been in the college after I have come to the college after 3 years, like after completing my graduation. So yeah, so it was good. It was nice to be here and as an alumni and again, like coming back to my professors, coming back to the campus, it is always refreshing because Trinity has contributed a lot. So yeah, in that sense, it was excellent to be back here.
So, being a student of journalism and mass communication, I'm excited to know what role has Trinity played in shaping your career as a as a journalist.
Okay, so I think starting from so I have been a text reporter mostly. So I think even like when I entered Trinity, I was a very bad writer to be honest. So when I entered Trinity, there were like courses that was about, there were like subjects that were about personality development, about writing skills. So Trinity actually like helped me a lot through. I think when I started in my first semester itself, I was working with a publication CNN News 18, and I started as a again writer with them. And I remember I used to nudge my teachers a lot at that point, like at midnights, at any time during the day, and they used to be very helpful in that sense. They used to like help me with my assignments, even when I was not here in the college itself, even like outside college. So in that sense, they have like really worked a lot in terms of like my personality development. Apart from that, I also feel like they have also contributed in a lot in terms of up. I mean, जो स्किल सेट्स जो मुझे यहाँ से मिले आई थिंक दैट हैज कंट्रीब्यूटेड अ लॉट इन द सेंस लाइक मैं टेक्स्ट के साथ शायद से ज्यादा जाती बट दे हैव आल्सो लाइक होन्ड माय स्किल्स ऑफ मल्टीमीडिया प्रोडक्शन सो दैट हेल्प so yeah, right now I can say that I can write, I can do photo essays, I can do multimedia reporting. So in these ways I think Trinity actually like makes you a journalist.
That's amazing. So, was there any particular moment during the college time that sparked your passion towards media?
Yeah, so I think again it was in the very initial years of my undergraduation itself that I remember we used to, so our teachers used to give us assignments and then be like you're supposed to be on ground and do like regular interaction with people on ground. So I think right now I'm more into ground reporting, and that actually started with Trinity itself because I came here with an idea of like कि जब भी आप मीडिया सोचते हो तो आपको लगता है कि you'll sit in a newsroom, you'll be doing that, you'll be doing this. So I think in that sense, Trinity actually like takes you to several aspects of journalism. Ki, you are also supposed to be in the newsroom, you're also supposed to be on the desk, but you're also supposed to be on ground. So I came with an idea that I'll be a PR person, but I went back with an idea, not with an idea. I think I went back with a like full-fledged journalist personality. So yeah, that way I think Trinity literally contributed in a good amount. So yeah, that's how.
So, Zoya ma'am, you began interning with CNN, News 18, and India Today in your first year. So, what importance did they play in shaping you?
Okay, so I think ki industry experience actually like, so you do have a few idea about कि अच्छा ठीक है, maybe this is how industry works, yeah, maybe this is how industry is about. So what textbook information actually I kind of converted into a real life experience in that sense. So I think ki with CNN, I started as a I started as an entertainment journalist, then I also switched to lifestyle journalist. So I think with my association with these different publications, it gave me a lot of exposure in the sense ki how media works, how how you are supposed to be building network in that sense, and also how you're supposed to be connecting or maybe navigating through different beats. So that is something that I feel like was my takeaway while I was trying to engage with these publication. Apart from that, I feel like when you are in the newsroom, And when you're in the newsroom, you also get to see different like formats of production happening inside. So that again, the exposure, the kind of exposure you get in terms of publication, in terms of stories you're doing, in terms of formats, in terms of how newsrooms work, that was excellent. Like that kind of exposure like helps a lot. So yeah.
So, your portfolio spans political journalism, lifestyle journalism, sports coverage, and now environmental issues. So, you have navigated yourself through diverse beats, I see. And so, is there any common thread that ties your work all together?
Um, I think, okay, so my reporting journey or my reportages, maybe I would say, is mostly something that comes from a personal experience. I always say this, but I really think that, reporting and journalism is something that has always come from, personal experiences. So when I started as a lifestyle journalist, I never had a plan, how to go about things. I never had a pre-plan about my career. I just knew that, this thing is interesting for me and then I'll go about it. So this is how I approached my career as well. But yeah, like another thing was that I never followed anybody else's path. You always make your own path. So yeah, so I was just trying to grab as many opportunities as was possible at that given point. And yeah, I think I just picked a few things in like initial days of my career or initial months or years of my career, and then I just kept navigating because that I think I was doing lifestyle journalism, entertainment journalism, then that was connected with lifestyle journalism in some capacity, and then when I then I slowly started exploring again with lifestyle journalism with Indian Express actually gave me a way or maybe a look towards socio-political issues as well, because उस सेंस में मैं थोड़ा सा lifestyle और socio-political दोनों cover कर रही थी with Indian Express. So that was the moment I think when I knew कि okay, I want to get into this particular beat. So you navigate through beats and then come to a final conclusion that okay, this is what I really want to do. So that's what I do right now. But I'm still again I'm still a learner. I'm still like learning through my experiences, and that is I think that is something that is driving my career even now. So yeah.
That's really inspiring. So, can you share your experience working with Forbes on a special project with the government of India?
Yeah, so what Forbes generally used to do is, so Forbes actually it was more of a network 18 into Government of India kind of a special project team. So I joined them as an editorial specialist, and what we used to do is, so जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया उस टाइम पे कैंपेन्स या जो भी न्यू इनिशिएटिव्स लाती थी, दे यूज्ड टू आस्क फोर्ब्स द नेटवर्क 18 टू मे बी वर्क ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर कैंपेन. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर कैंपेन कैन बी about anything. Like for instance, I was working on there was this pani water conservation campaign that I was working on. So we used to develop a whole like campaign out of that, and we also used to do planning for editorial stuff, that what is supposed to go on editorially, like across languages, because network 18 is something that works across language. So we used to do that kind of strategization. Then we also used to do the social media thing for them. So it was kind of an exposure jo kehte na mix of PR plus public policy plus journalism kind of exposure it was. So that was I think that was a good learning experience. And I think कि ट्रिनिटी में ही एक थर्ड सेमेस्टर या फोर्थ सेमेस्टर में आई सपोज देयर इज अ सब्जेक्ट जहाँ पे हमको कैंपेनिंग सिखाते हैं. So that helped a lot in that process of like me being associated with that particular project team. So yeah, so that was my experience, and I really think it was something that added to my CV. I never thought about going for campaign designing or doing the campaign thing. So yeah, that added a lot. Yeah.
Okay. So there's a thing clicking onto my mind that like you are currently working on a documentary on environmental issues. So it was conscious choice or an opportunity given to you?
It can be both. I think so. I mean, जैसे अगर आप मुझसे बोलें कि so journalism at one point it can become monotonous. So for me, breaking monotony in that journalism or in that career thing for me is maybe exploring different formats, maybe exploring different formats, different beats, different organizations, yeah, different topics. So for me, documentary filmmaking was something that was part of my master's program. It was my I specialized in that particular thing. But apart from that, I also feel like it's something that I kind of like as a format also. And if it's something that falls in or it's inclined towards socio-political issues, gender, development side of things, I think I do make a conscious mind to pursue those things. Otherwise, I think I started वही कह सकते हो उसको कि शुरू से मजबूरी में किया था, but अब मजा आ रहा है उसमें. So that's how documentary thing happened to me. So yeah.
So, as an award-winning reporter, what advice would you give to the young upcoming journalist?
Okay, good question. I think I'll say ki, again, the same thing I'll say ki first deserve and then desire, and make your own ways in the industry. So I would say कि यार थोड़ा है ना अपने आप को पुश करो थोड़ा जैसे you'll often hear people saying in the industry itself that you guys are young, you do not have drive, you should have drive. So I think वो drive ऐसे आप build नहीं कर सकते, that needs to be in you. So as young journalist, for young journalists I would say कि यार be there on ground. Journalism is all about being there in the moment and being interacting with people with as much empathy, with as much sensitivity as possible. So yeah, be there in the moment, hit the ground. It is no there is no wrong in hitting the ground. I think it will only boost your efficiency. It will also improve you as a reporter, because and again learning is the key, key to go forward. So I think हमेशा ना वो अपना approach as a learner open रखो, so you'll get to learn a lot of things on ground. So yeah, I would say कि यार हार्ड वर्क से मत भागो, ग्राउंड पे रहो, ग्राउंड हिट करो, you'll get to learn a lot and you'll get a lot of opportunities, that is for sure. Yeah,
that's definitely going to spark our passion towards media now.
I hope so.
So thank you very much, Zoya ma'am, for giving us a glimpse about your passion and purposeful work that you drive in. So your story shows us the curiosity, hard work, and a clear vision that we can achieve something meaningful. We cannot wait to see your amazing work in the future, ma'am. Thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. Thank you. Yeah, it's really amazing to be back here. I would like to be back again with maybe more inputs. So yeah, amazing to be here. Thank you.
So that was Ms. Zoya Hussain in our alumni interaction interview live on Tips News. This is me, Bhumi Sharma, signing off along with camera person Aditi Sharma and Dipesh Nehi. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.